Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to send messages to a potential customer UID list. We will use the MKTCare software, which is a tool that supports account management and the management of large numbers of accounts. We will go to the viral marketing section and select the messaging feature. We just need to copy the UID list here, then configure the settings for the software to run automatically. Next, you need to select the content you want to send and finally choose the Facebook account. That's it. I have just guided you on how to send bulk messages automatically. The last step is to click Start, and the software will begin running. Let's watch how the software works. If you want to purchase the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.